Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
This is a tough question, guys. This is a tough question, official question, by the way. It would be definitely in the category of a very tough question. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes and then we'll discuss. If a and b are positive integers such that a minus b and a by b are both even integers, which of the following must be an odd integer? Yes, any progress, friends? Now, what can you conclude from the statement that a minus b and a by b are both even integers? Very nice. So from this, we can conclude that a and b are both even. How did you guys conclude that? And you are absolutely correct. How did you conclude that? A minus b is even. So when will a minus b be even, by the way? Odd, odd, right? A, a minus b can be even if both a and b are odd or if both a and b are even. But the whole point is a by b cannot be even if both a and b are odd, right? So which means that we can conclude for sure that a and b are both even. Are we clear? Friends, are we clear? See, a minus b is even. A minus b can be even only when either both are even or both are odd. But if both are odd, then a by b cannot be even. Right? So the whole point is that a and b are both even. Okay. Then what? How do we proceed on this? A and b are both even. Question is, which of the following must be an odd integer? All right. So this, I think you guys did figure out that a and b both have to be even. Now, since a and b are both even, let's assume a is equal to 2 into m, b is equal to 2 into n. All right. Now we test out various values. Tell me option alpha. A by 2. A by 2. What do you think about this? Must it be an odd integer? Very nice. So for example, if A is equal to, let's say, 2, then A by 2 is odd. But if A is equal to 4, for example, then A by 2 is not, right? Another thing is, since A by B is given to us as even, right? A by B is even. So let's say A by B is 2k, any even number. And so A is equal to 2bk and B we already know is 2n. So A is equal to 4nk. Are we clear? Right? Now, what do we do? So clearly A is equal to 4 into n into k. So A is obviously a multiple of 4. And we can try out various options as we've already discussed. Okay, now this is the thing. Why will it always be an even integer? Very nice, because A is a multiple of 4, right? So A by 2 will be how much? 2nk. See, A is 4nk, right? So A by 2 will be 2nk, which would always be an even integer. All right, B by 2 obviously can be odd or even because B is 2n, right? So if n, for example, if B is 2, then B by 2 is 1, which is odd. If B is 4, then B by 2 is 2, which is even. Okay, how about A plus B by 2? How about A plus B by 2? Sorry, A is how much? 4nk. B is how much? 2n, right? So if we just tried that, 4nk plus 2n divided by 2, correct? So we can take 2n common. What are we left with? 2k plus 1 by 2. So obviously this gets cancelled. So what are we left with? N times 2k plus 1. So this obviously does not tell us anything because b depends on, yes, right? So can be both even or odd. How about David? A plus 2 by 2. A is obviously 4nk. So 4nk plus 2 by 2. So I take 2 common. 2nk plus 1 by 2, right? Now notice this. 2nk will always be even and plus 1, which means this will always be, because we are adding 1 to an even number. So that will be odd. And finally, b plus 2 by 2 again can be even or odd. Clearly a very, very tricky question. David is the right answer. All right.